Go to your medicine cabinet right now. Open it. Pull out that bottle of ibuprofen, naproxen, or aspirin. You bought it for back pain, for a swollen knee, for that pounding headache, and it works. But there's something the label doesn't tell you. That pill was never designed to heal you. It was designed to replace a cure that already existed, a cure that had been working for 3,500 years without burning stomachs or perforating intestines. It all started with a bark that Native Americans considered sacred medicine, a bark that the pharmaceutical industry copied, stripped, and turned into a cheap, toxic knockoff. I'm not talking about conspiracy theories. I'm talking about chemistry, about published clinical trials, about evidence coming to light right now that compares the original remedy with the patent drug, and the results are devastating. Because nature didn't create an isolated molecule. It created a whole complex, a symphony of compounds designed to work together, one to kill pain, another to heal the gut, another to shut down inflammation at the root. And when you strip all that away for a quick patent, you don't get a medicine. You get a slow poison wrapped in a glossy box. In the next few minutes, you're going to learn the name of the bark your ancestors used. You're going to see the clinical data that proves it works better than ibuprofen without the side effects. And most importantly, you're going to discover how to use the original blueprint for joint pain, so you never have to choose between living in pain and destroying your gut again. The sacred bark they hid from you. The story starts long before pharmaceutical labs. For at least 3,500 years, the indigenous peoples of North America, the Cherokee, the Blackfoot, the Iroquois, and dozens of other nations, used the inner bark of the black willow tree, Salix nigra, as a primary medicine for pain, fever, and inflammation. They didn't have a lab, but they had something better: millennia of observation. They knew that chewing the raw bark or boiling it into a strong tea not only stopped joint pain and headaches, it soothed the stomach. Let me repeat that. The same substance that killed pain also healed the gut. That was the original, unaltered design. The active ingredient we now call salicin. Once inside your body, it converts to salicylic acid, the exact same molecule your ibuprofen mimics. But in the bark, salicin doesn't ride alone. It comes wrapped in tannins that coat and protect the stomach lining, in flavonoids that suppress the COX-2 enzyme more selectively, and in polyphenols that accelerate tissue repair. This isn't a natural alternative. This is the original, intelligent delivery system that the pharmaceutical industry later disassembled, kept the engine, and threw away the safety belt. The pharmaceutical heist. The year was 1828. A German chemist named Johann Buchner successfully isolated salicin from willow bark. It was the beginning of the end. By 1897, Felix Hoffmann at Bayer had synthesized acetyl salicylic acid, aspirin. The logic was simple: isolate the active compound, make it stable, patent it, sell it. But here's what they ignored. The tannins, the flavonoids, the volatile oils, they weren't useless filler. They were the reason the bark didn't cause gastric bleeding. By stripping them away, the industry created a drug that attacked inflammation, but also attacked the stomach lining. A century later, NSAIDs like ibuprofen and naproxen followed the same flawed logic, causing over 15,000 deaths per year in the US alone from gastrointestinal complications, all because they copied a masterpiece and left out the protection. The science that's finally validating the ancestors. Now, let's get to the evidence that changes everything. In 2018, a randomized controlled trial compared a standardized willow bark extract containing 240 milligrams of salicin per day to 1,200 milligrams of ibuprofen per day in people with chronic low back pain. The result: pain reduction was statistically equivalent, but the side effects were not. The ibuprofen group experienced significant gastric discomfort and increased intestinal permeability, leaky gut. The willow bark group, their gastric mucosa showed no damage, none. Another 2020 study examined the bark's effect on osteoarthritis of the knee. Not only did the willow bark group report less pain, but inflammatory markers like CRP dropped further than with ibuprofen. And here's the kicker: the participants taking the bark reported better digestion, not worse. The science is finally proving what native healers never forgot: the whole plant heals, the isolated molecule harms.
The reason is simple. Your body doesn't see inflammation as one isolated switch. It's a cascade of enzymes, cytokines, and signaling molecules. The willow bark complex modulates COX-2, the bad inflammatory enzyme, while sparing COX-1, which protects your stomach lining. Ibuprofen hammers both. That's why you get pain relief, but also the gut burn. The bark, on the other hand, comes with a built-in intelligence. It targets inflammation without collateral damage. It took modern science 3,500 years to figure out what the ancestors knew by listening to the body.
Why Big Pharma will never sell you the real thing. Here's the uncomfortable truth. You can't patent a tree. You can't patent a 3,500-year-old recipe. The pharmaceutical business model relies on creating novel, synthetic molecules they can own exclusively for decades. A natural bark, even if it's superior, is a profit disaster. There's no multi-billion-dollar exclusivity window. So instead of researching how to deliver the full matrix, they spent billions marketing the stripped-down version, inventing a wonder drug story for aspirin, and then adding another layer of drugs, proton pump inhibitors, to treat the heartburn caused by their own pain pillar. You are literally being sold a problem and the solution in two separate pills, while the single natural solution sits ignored because no one gets rich from it.
But the truth is leaking out. Google Scholar is filling up with these comparative studies. Functional medicine doctors are prescribing willow bark extracts. And you, right now, are one step away from using the original painkiller that doesn't fight you back. The protocol: how to use the blueprint safely. Here's how you do it right. First, don't go chewing random tree bark from your backyard. You need the inner bark of Salix nigra, or Salix alba, white willow, ideally from a sustainable source. Native American traditions use a decoction. Simmer 1 tablespoon of dried bark in 2 cups of water for 20 minutes. Strain and drink it warm. This extracts the salicin, the tannins, and the protective polyphenols in the correct ratios. The standard daily dose provides roughly 120 to 240 milligrams of salicin, comparable to a moderate ibuprofen dose, but without the gut attack. You can also find standardized capsules that guarantee salicin content, but the tea has the full entourage. Second, be patient. This isn't a synthetic that bludgeons your pain in 20 minutes. It works over hours and days, reducing inflammation at the source. Third, absolutely do not combine it with prescription blood thinners or other NSAIDs without consulting someone who understands both pharmaceuticals and herbal medicine. This is real medicine, and it deserves respect.
And if the taste is bitter? Good. Real medicine often is. That bitterness comes from the tannins, the very compounds protecting your stomach. Every sip is a statement. I choose the whole, intelligent design over the cheap, broken copy. So the next time you reach for that bottle of ibuprofen, pause. Look at it. That little pill is a ghost of something greater, an echo of a sacred medicine. Now you know where the real thing is. You know it works better, and you know why they didn't want you to find out.
Thank you for walking this journey of reclamation. The ancestors kept this knowledge alive against all odds, and now it lives in you. If you want to discover another ancient medicine that outperforms a modern drug, this time for sleep and anxiety, I have a documentary waiting for you right here on the screen. It's time to take back your health. I'll see you there.